Good morning, everyone. My name is Anthony Lipule. I'm the director of LWM Logistics and Charter Pty Ltd, based in Pretoria. My company is in logistics. It trade mainly in logistics. We deal with the forward logistics and also the reverse logistics. That's where we are dealing with delivering food or delivering parcels to customers from warehouse to their doorsteps. And again, in reverse logistics, we deal with taking care of the customers' assets or goods when the appliances or anything that was delivered to them is not in good conditions and they need to be taken back to the manufacturer or to where they bought it. And then we come in there and deliver those. We take those parcels from the customer's doorstep and back to the warehouse or to the repair center. Those are the two types of logistics that we're dealing with as a company. Our experience as a company, we were trading under Uber, which is under Uber Slots Black, where we were actually transporting people from their homes, from their entertainment area, from their workplaces to their homes, and back and forth within the Gauteng province. Secondly, what we did also as an experience, we were training under Take a Lot Logistics using our scooter, where we were delivering the food from the different food retailers or stores to the customers within the Pretoria North area. So that is the experience that we have in terms of trading in logistics. And then the company managed to acquire the two assets in the form of a biking and also in the form of the scooter that was loose in and Take a Lot. Now the two assets that were acquired by the companies, they need to be industry compliant. As the scooter was involved in a collision, it needs to be repaired now, and the biking needs to be compliant in terms of getting the canopy and getting all the standards in terms of the specifications of the industry. And those two issues actually require finances. We therefore are looking for a company that will be able to finance us so that we can get our company, our assets into ready-made for the industry, and also that we can have the startup capital that we can use to be able to trade for 2 months or so, 1 to 2 months until we get our finances correct in terms of the payments that will be made from trading in these 2 months with the other company. And then also we are looking for a company that will be able to set the company in a professional way, in ways of getting the documentations under the government regulations, under the industry regulations in order, and all the submissions that needs to be submitted according to the industry regulations. And also we need a company that will be able to assist us to be able to set up a profile for a company on the social media and on the email system, so that the advertisements and also marketing the company can be done abroad on the social media and also on the net platforms. We're also looking for a company that will be able to develop the management or the director of the company in terms of the etiquette, in terms of the professional running of the company, so that the company is run in a professional way and is also progressive. We're looking for a company that will be able to join with, so that it can be able to come up and help with the strategies that we can be able to improve the company to be profitable, to be better, and to grow from being a Gauteng company to an South African company, nationally, African company, and also international company. So COVID-19 has impacted negatively on our company, as we are a very small company, because the money that is required now in order to start again the company is more than what the company has already made. So we are in financial strain. We are therefore looking for a financial assistance, and we are therefore looking for a company that can be able to help us to get that financial assistance. A business plan is made it's already in place. The only thing that is required is to get the information in the latest development in the logistics industry, so that we can be able to finalize our business plan. We therefore also going to need assistance for us to be able to complete the business plan and make it industry ready and industry proof, so that we can be able to acquire the necessary funding as a startup company. Thanks a lot. Last will be to say, me participating in the program, it will add value to my company, because it will add value to me as the director of the company in terms of the mindset, how to run the company professionally. At the same time, being part of the program will also assist me to be able to have the documents that are required in terms of supporting the business plan, so that I can be able to submit for funders, and also to partners that are willing to participate in the vision that I have in running the greatest and also the big logistics company in Africa that is dealing with both the reverse logistics and also the forward logistics. Thank you.